Let's explore Mailgun, a powerful writer component in Keboola that allows you to send transactional emails directly from your data pipelines. This service is ideal for sending personalized emails, complete with attachments and formatted text, to contacts using data stored in Keboola storage. Whether you need to send customer notifications, reports, or alerts, Mailgun offers robust functionality to meet your email automation needs. With Mailgun, you can send emails that contain dynamic content sourced directly from your data. This allows you to personalize emails by inserting dynamic values from Keboola tables, such as customer names, KPIs, or custom fields. You can also attach files, such as reports or summaries, and format the content using HTML or plain text, ensuring your messaging fits the needs of your recipients. Another great feature is that Mailgun offers a free tier account, making it accessible for businesses of any size. This allows you to send emails with dynamic values, attachments, and formatted content without worrying about extra costs, especially for smaller projects. Now let's look at some real-world use cases. One practical example is sending KPI notifications to managers across your organization. Imagine you have a predefined email template that includes dynamic fields. These fields are automatically populated with values from Keboola tables. For instance, each manager would receive an email with their branch's specific KPI results. This way, Mailgun automates the process of retrieving data from Keboola storage, inserting it into the email template, and sending personalized reports to each recipient. Another valuable use case for Mailgun is project health check alerts. In this scenario, Keboola workflows can monitor your project for issues such as unused data, data quality problems, or failing pipelines. When an issue is detected, Mailgun can automatically send an email to the relevant team members, helping them address and resolve problems in a timely manner. What sets Mailgun apart from other email services is its detailed email analytics. You can track metrics such as open rates and click-through rates to evaluate how effective your emails are. This allows you to refine your communication strategy by analyzing how well recipients engage with the content. Finally, let's look at an example of automated KPI reports. With Mailgun, you can create a template email that includes placeholders for KPI metrics. Each week, Mailgun retrieves the latest data from Keboola storage, fills in the dynamic fields for each manager's branch, and sends a personalized report to the designated recipients. This workflow runs automatically, ensuring managers stay informed without the need for manual intervention. Finally, let's look at an example of automated KPI reports. With Mailgun, you can create a template email that includes placeholders for KPI metrics. Each week, Mailgun retrieves the latest data from Keboola storage, fills in the dynamic fields for each manager's branch, and sends a personalized report to the designated recipients. This workflow runs automatically, ensuring managers stay informed without the need for manual intervention.